Do you want to edit photos quickly and easily? Using Inshot? Let's do it. Tap the photo icon and select a photo that you want to work with. Once it loads, you should notice that Inshot remembers the background and canvas settings that you last used. Since I like the way these look, I'm going to leave them as they are. However, you'll notice that this photo is extremely purple. That's because the photo was taken under a purple light. So I'd like to remove the purple tint. Tap on Filters, tap Adjust, and then tap on Warmth. Move the slider all the way to the right to make the photo as warm as possible. Tap the check mark when you're done. Inshot has a number of filters you can use to improve photos. I have a pro membership, so I can use any filter or effect for free. If you don't have a membership, you may need to purchase filter packs individually. I'm going to choose skin number 2 as I believe that looks the best. Just above the check mark, you'll see a rectangular icon that looks divided. Tap on it to see the differences between the two images. There's the filter, there's the original. The photo looks much better. Tap on the check mark. To save the photo, tap the share icon. The saved photo will be available in your camera roll. Which photo do you think looks better? Let me know in the comments below.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
If you have a problem with any part of this process, leave a comment below so I can help you. Don't forget to click that thumbs up if you liked the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.